Welcome to the Blind Tiger Farm. I put a video yesterday. I started around 8:16 in the morning, finished just before 10. I installed a heat pump on top of our camper here. It's a Houghton. I got it off Amazon. It was like $1,300, but it heats and cools the camper. I'll be able to remove the propane heater later. There were some wires in there. I didn't know what they were. They were actually going to that propane heater, so that's deactivated now. But very easy install. It just went in place of the domestic air conditioner that was in there. One thing you'll notice about this air conditioner, it's very quiet. We're happy with it so far, but it's been 2 days. So I'm replacing the air conditioner in our Forest River camper. And up here is where I had to tape it up. And there were places up here where the duct was not sealed. It was just pumping air conditioning into the roof. So I'm sure this one being 3,000 BTU more is going to be helpful. But this is a heat pump, so it's going to have heat on it too. These wires, not sure exactly where they go, but part of them was the thermostat wire, and I'm guessing it fed the thermostat through that too. This wire here is the 120 feed, so we're going to use that. We're going to cap these off. I don't want to cut them just in case we find some disassociated failure where they just ran wires to the roof here. There's the new unit up there, which we're about to put in position. And here's my cheering squad. These dogs look very concerned at me. So I never claimed to be a rigger. My job was to tell the pilots where to go to hook up the sling load. And on the brighter side, doing this is we don't get static shock and see someone do a flip off the load because they forgot they grounded before they picked it up or before they attempted to hook it. But I figured this was easier than climbing up a ladder with the thing. So I finished installing it. I just got to go on the roof and seal it. Those extra wires I found earlier, those are actually, my wife figured that out, they're to the propane heat that we never use. So they're just capped off, and I guess I can go hunting for a propane heater to remove. But this is the fan on high, so it's much quieter than our previous unit. I had the heat on a little while ago, and it's very warm, so that's why the air conditioner is running now.